What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're taking the E36 drifting, which is super awesome. I got like zero sleep last night because for some reason I don't sleep well before drift events. Jared's here to help me both mentally and physically with the car. Coronavirus is here, we thought the event might not happen. So pretty stoked that the event's actually going ahead because people don't want to get together and spread the disease or whatever. So but that sucks, but I don't know. Maybe tire smoke's the vaccine for coronavirus. Let's go drifting. Phew! Hey dog. Alrighty, the car is all loaded up, good to go. Looking fantastic. Looks awesome. Jared's been a champion helping me out. Let's see if this Great Wall can tow the car and everything in it. I've never actually towed with it before, so yeah, let's do this. The light at the end of the tunnel. And they emerge. We're here! Yee! Please be good to us today, racetrack and cars. Super stoked. Alrighty, so we're just changing the rear wheels and I've just realised I've forgotten to put the wheel nuts on the wheels at home, so I only had a couple of wheel nuts on each wheel, so we're going to have to figure that one out, which is a little bit of a setback, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. We are aligned, we have tyre pressures done at the back, car seems to be running well, so we're ready pretty much to go out. Tyre is on her way with the wheel nuts, so rad. Alrighty, it's super windy outside, so I'm doing updates in the car. I went out for a couple of runs, car felt freaking incredible, never felt this good before, which is awesome. Then we started to hit a boost cut issue, which it turned out to be my fault. I had the boost controller hoses hooked up the wrong way around on the wastegate. So we'll chuck some brand new tyres on the rear and we're going to go back out and send it and see how it goes. But if the car keeps going exactly like this all day, I'm feeling super good. Yeah, so stoked, let's do this. That was sick. I can do last run before qualifying, I think. Car's going awesome. Alrighty, so unfortunately we're having the exact same problem as we had, even though I've heat wrapped the manifold and got a cover. The manifold just runs too close to this valve cover, the plastic valve cover, and it's the heat, because the car's running so well, has kind of warped it, I think, and it's dripping oil onto the cover and just is really smoky. I'm still going to do qualifying. I'm just letting the car cool down and just doing nothing at the moment with it, so that it doesn't smoke too much when I get to the start line and worry people. But bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. She's humming though. This car is so much fun. So fingers crossed for qualifying. Coming up next on Mike Lake TV. Mike Lake TV.
Mike Lake TV. This is Mike Lake TV.
Alright, start the qualifying, guys. I have a bit of tape right here because I randomly switched the car off during a run, as you saw back there. So to stop that happening, because the switch is in a weird place, I have the tape there. So that's my fail-safe. But feeling pretty confident, mate, feeling good. Layout's awesome, car feels great. Obviously we have that issue with the manifold and the valve cover, but I actually found a loose bolt, so I tweaked that up. That was right under the manifold as well, so fingers crossed that kind of does what it needs to stop the oil dripping. And for the meantime, I'm just keeping the car off while we're not doing much. So, but let's do this. Alright guys, oil's still dripping on the manifold. Alright, quick update, we pulled the valve cover off, had a little melty bits on it, but it's all good. So we've made a little heat shield down here from Boss coffee cans, which is like super Japanese and JDM, so my car's now JDM and not European anymore. And it's got one can, and then heat wrap in the middle, and then another can, so JDM. And now we're going to put the valve cover on and we're going to go do some drifties. I'm excited. You excited? Yeah, everyone say yeah. These guys are excited. Alright, our battle's coming up. We've got the valve cover back on, so hopefully we can get it all back together. Awesomeness, yeah!
But we don't want to stop.
Alrighty, we got the car sorted. We're out, sitting here. Everything seems to be okay, which is fucking rad. So, very excited about this battle. keen to take it to top 16, so fingers crossed that we can do it. But hey, it's actually just been a really good day in the car. Things shred's hard, so yeah. Alright, don't know what happened there, let's go again. So they gave us it one more time. So we'll go again, but this time we'll be a bit more conservative on the chase. So we're home from the event. I've had a little bit of time to reflect on it. Super cool, fun event. Stoked on how the car ran. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely am bummed about losing the top 32 battle. I definitely feel like it was ours to lose, and probably maybe a little bit too aggressive, but I'm really keen on chasing close and being aggressive and putting on a show. So that's just how it goes. I feel like it was a little bit funny on that initiation on the first battle, where like he slowed, and then I kind of got a little bit thrown off, and then I entered pretty hot, and then yeah, we kind of just came into contact. But that's the sport that we're in. The S14 is super cool, and he's a cool dude as well. Yeah, follow at Team 2J, sick S14. But overall, really cool day. Definitely lessons learned about the car. We need to put the metal valve cover on it, which I've already sourced, and I'm also going to make a slight modification to the turbo manifold so that it's not sitting so close to the valve cover as well, and that'll just take care of that problem. That is the only problem we had. The rest of the car was freaking awesome, and we didn't actually dent the car at all with that hit, because it hit the wheel and not any of the body of the car. So the car's still in great shape, albeit a little bit dirtier, but we can clean that up all good. Round 2 is in 6 weeks, which I'm kind of relieved about, because I've been working non-stop on this car, kind of getting it to where it needs to be. Now that it's kind of finished, it means that we don't have to do a whole lot before round 2, other than chuck the ZF gearbox in, put that new valve cover on, make a couple of wee changes. But the car itself just felt so good. Funnily enough, I was only running 7-pounder boost on the day because we were hitting boost cut with the new turbo, and my laptop was flat, so I don't have the ability to remove that boost cut. Next time we'll definitely be running more boost. We were running more boost in the morning for the first couple of runs, about 14 pound I think, and the car felt insane. So we're going to have more power for the next event, but overall car freaking phenomenal. Just a really cool day of driving, so pretty stoked. Next event though, definitely into the top 16, and obviously want to qualify higher as well, but given that we only have one qualifying run, pretty happy with that. So thank you guys for watching. Next event we will be tackling the T18 because we're taking that drifting in 2 weeks, although the coronavirus may have something different to say about that, so we'll see if the event still goes ahead or not, but at the minute the event is going ahead. So speaking of the coronavirus guys, make sure you all stay safe. If you do get 2 weeks off and go into lockdown wherever you are, use that time wisely. Play some video games. Maybe if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel. But yeah, until next video guys, thank you. Hit that like, subscribe button, follow me on Instagram @itsmikeblake, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.